Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel. I do hope that you'll enjoy this today and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, I so appreciate you. Today we are going to do a couple quick DIYs. As you can see, we're going to do these candles first. I got the candle sets at the Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1. It has both the votive and an unscented candle. And then I just took these snowflakes from the Dollar Tree, as well as the baker's twine. And this is almost not even a DIY. It's so simple, but it's a quick little decoration for your Christmas theme. So you just want to put a dot of glue here. When you put that dot of glue, it's just going to hold it in place for a moment so that you can just tie that twine around. The glue does not love the glass, but it stays in place pretty well. I just did this on both of the votives, and it was as easy as that. You could definitely get a couple of these and decorate your home with them. I think that they're just a sweet little accent. And there you are. So now I wanted to do one more. This one was a little bit more of a Christmassy theme where the snowflakes could sit out all winter. So I took a little bit of this Rochester garland that I have. I have been using this thing like crazy. It's so much cheaper than getting the picks. I got that at Walmart, if you'll remember. I think it was around $7, but I have been using it on all my DIYs. It's amazing. It's a little bit long, so I just cut it down just a bit to fit on the votive, and then took a little bit of the berries from that little berry garland there that I had from the Dollar Tree. Just a little bit of glue, stuck those on, and did that on both of them. And again, this is just a quick and easy DIY. Just sweet little accents to your Christmas decor. I think these are cute. Aren't those nice? And then those just have a more Christmassy theme. Next, I made a very quick little wreath. I thought that this might be cute on a bedroom mirror or a window. It's just a very light wreath. So I took those little garland ties that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think it's like a 10-pack. And I took 2 of those and I'm just twisting them together, but I'm also going around and just roughing this up, just going back and forth on it, because as they're in the package, it's all going one direction. And we kind of want this to, go and fluff up a little bit. So then I took my scissors, and it's kind of like trimming the lawn. You don't want it to be quite as out of control as it is. So I just trim these down so that it looks just a little bit more realistic. Next, I'm just going to twist that berry garland around this. And again, so simple. If you haven't subscribed yet, I do hope you will. Just click that little subscribe button right below this video. Hit that bell so that it lets you know anytime I upload a video. And I do hope if you enjoyed this video that you'll also like it. That just helps YouTube see my channel and helps me get things going. So I do hope that you'll support my channel, and I am so appreciative of all my subscribers thus far. All right, so you just kind of twist these berries around until they look, they're kind of facing the front, and are evenly spaced. And then I took one of, you can get the 3-pack that have joy, believe, and peace. And I chose joy. And I was thinking about adding wire there to add it, but I decided I will probably hot glue that. Next, I got this ribbon at Walmart, and I'm just cutting 2 pieces here. I folded them in half to find the center. I fold them each into the center. And then I will take a little bit of the wire and twist that around the middle. That's going to hold them tight, and it'll also give me something to attach it to the wreath. Next, I just take another piece and I just tie it once around the back. And this does have wire, so you can move the loops around so that they hold their shape for you. And then I will just trim the tails at an angle. I do go back and trim these just a little bit more. Once you get the placement, you kind of figure out how short you want them. So I just twist this on there. And now a little bit of hot glue will adhere this to the wreath. And again, as I keep saying, it's just that easy. You guys can do this. It only took a couple minutes to make this cute little wreath. So thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Happy holidays.